Thĩinĩ wa ciikaro cia mbunge ya Senate, thogora mweru wa maguta nĩ gatagati ka ndereti iria ciarĩrĩirio ikioneka gutumura urugari na ciũria nyingĩ iria itano na wa gucokia.
Mr. Speaker,
matongoretio ni Senator wa Narok Ledama Olekina, maseneta ni mamenereirie thogora mweru wa maguta makienda gutaririo kiria kiraria kingi.
Back in 2013, the cost of fuel in this country was 67 shillings. Now 135 shillings a litre. Seriously. And the salaries of most people have not gone up. What are we saying? We cannot tax a country to prosperity. We are just killing this country.
Riri arerita ria mbere thogora wa maguta matawa kwabatira na ciringi 12.9. Wanjiko ndari na munyaka kuona thogora wa muturire no rathi na mbere kwabatira. Maseneta aya makiuga ihinda ni ikinyu murigo uyu wa urwo a Kenya.
We know, Mr. Speaker, taxes account over 40% of fuel prices in Kenya. And in fact, it is the way that at this time when the economy is down, that the KRA and the people looking for taxes are actually looking for taxes through fuel. That's why they increase the prices. And in fact, this hurts Kenyans because every aspect of Kenya depends on fuel issue.
An increase in fuel prices means an increase of cost of transport, cost of production, cost of food for the already suffering Kenyans. Mr. Speaker, I think we should live in reality. We should be reading how Kenyans are feeling. Already COVID-19 pandemic has put Kenyans in a very poor state in terms of business. So if we are not going to look at this, I think Kenyans will be on their own.
Kuhitukira Speaker wa bunge ya Senate Ken Lusaka, riu Minister wa wenji wa maguta na mahiga ma goro John Munyes hamwe na murunawe wa maahinya Charles Keter nimathitwo gugekinya mbere ya bunge ya Senate kiumia giukite niguo gucokia ciuria ici.
The only way that Kenyans will agree and they will support us is when the entire 47 plus the nominated 20 senators grill the Ministry of Energy to be able to find out the problem of this fuel.
But I want to give this direction that the Committee on Energy will spearhead invitation of the ministry and all the other stakeholders. Actually, it's the twin ministries, Ministry of Petroleum and the Ministry of Energy. And the CSS must appear in person. It is so directed.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.